Moral and life lessons. The balloon we took turns to hold. In the heart of a bustling city, where towering buildings kissed the sky and laughter echoed through winding alleyways, lived a kind-hearted little girl named Lily. One sunny Tuesday morning, she found herself in the company of her best friends, wise old Ben, shy young Timmy, and adventurous Emma. With a twinkle in her eye, Lily presented them with an old, tattered balloon she found hidden away in her attic. The group, always eager for an adventure, decided to take it and filled it with air, watching as it inflated back to life. With a whoosh of wind and cheers of joy, the group released their colorful companion into the sky. They floated high above the busy streets, taking in the breathtaking view of their beloved city from new heights. As they soared through the clouds, Lily shared tales of her adventures, while Timmy recounted the time he found a lost puppy. Ben regaled them with his stories from his travels around the world, and Emma shared her dreams of becoming an astronaut. However, as they approached a dark and ominous storm cloud, their joy began to fade. With every gust of wind, the once vibrant balloon started to lose its air, threatening to bring them back down to earth. Terrified, the group clung to each other as the balloon continued to deflate beneath them. They had never felt such a helpless moment, knowing that at any second they could plummet back to earth. Determined not to let fear get the best of them, Lily suggested they use their own strength to paddle themselves back to solid ground. Together, they worked tirelessly, taking turns to keep the balloon aloft. After what seemed like hours, the group finally reached the edge of the city park. Exhausted but relieved, they touched down on solid ground, each taking a moment to catch their breath and share a grateful smile with one another. As they sat beneath the shade of a grand old tree, they couldn't help but reminisce about their incredible journey. They realized that just as they had to work together to keep the balloon aloft, they must always support each other in times of need. From that day on, Lily, Ben, Timmy, and Emma made a pact to always be there for each other, no matter what challenges they faced. They knew that together they could overcome anything that came their way. As the sun began to set, they returned to Lily's cozy home, filled with laughter and love. Together they celebrated their newfound bond and promised to cherish the memories of their adventure forever. The balloon we took turns to hold teaches us the importance of teamwork and unity. Just as Lily, Ben, Timmy, and Emma work together to keep their balloon aloft, we too must support one another in times of need. By sticking together and relying on each other's strengths, we can overcome any obstacle that comes our way.